What's up, YouTube? We all doing? Happy New Week, guys. My apologies for not making this video sooner, but I was like, I want to look at the market some more. I want to like understand what was going to happen. Last week was a heat because the way we predicted the markets, we did say what was going to happen, and then the CPI did come out good, but I was expecting some kind of shots from gold, and but it didn't really come that well. I mean, we did see gold selling off as at Friday, which was good, but I'm not yet to say selling off is good, but you all understand what I mean. All right, so okay, guys. So, but for the benefits of this video, I'll just be talking a little bit about the crypto market. I'll just be talking about little token, and let's just do a little market review, and then yeah, that'll be the end of it. And in the meantime, guys, if you know you have not joined the Telegram community, guys, you are missing a lot. All right, the link is in the description below. There's a whole lot happening. You will be missing a lot if you are not in the Telegram community. Remember, we are starting the All Traders community. It's launching on the 28th of this month, officially launching on the 28th of this month. So if you're not in the trading community, I don't know what you're in, guys. We're gonna make it this year, and we're gonna do it together. And don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. So I would start by analyzing Bitcoin. Yeah, I love Bitcoin. Bitcoin is like the best. No, it's not really the best. Okay, let's go into the 4 hour. Let's start with the daily time frame, or let's go with the weekly time frame. You know what I mean? Yeah. All right, so the weekly time frame, how do we see Bitcoin? Like, what do we see? It's still showing this short pattern, still showing like it's going to short, right? And we are still seeing that. And remember, in the last video I did say there's a big chance that we might see Bitcoin drop to 80k, or around 80 to 70k, around that. I mean 80 to, yeah, 70k, but not this 70k immediately, but at least around this level. So let me just point this out for you. Wait, hold up. Around this level here. So there's a big chance that we might see Bitcoin drop to anywhere around this level. All right, but that's not to be panicked for, because it's going to happen, but it's just a matter of when. And right now, I don't want you to put in your mind that we are going to be that. That should be during the bear season. Right now we're in a bull season, but right now the market is just sentimental. We're in a sentiment market, all right, where nobody knows what is happening. Everybody are like, oh, it's supposed to be the bull season, but it's not the bull season, and nobody really knows what is happening. And that's why I'm like, hey, it's better to not do anything. If you know you can't hold on, if you bought at the top, you know you can't hold on. I don't really like buying at the top. I never bought Bitcoin at 108. Sorry to those who bought at 108. So if you can't buy, you can't trade, just hold on so you don't lose all your money. All right, so that's just how to roll in this market. It's either you hold on when you've bought, or you just wait to when the market starts moving. But again, this is one of the best times to get into crypto. All right, if you're just trying to buy in, like, this is one of the best time to buy. It's better to buy when it's red. All right, so looking at the weekly time frame, it still looks like Bitcoin is bad, right? And again, I don't expect us to be popping anytime soon. If we go over the months, let's check the months. You look at this. I don't really expect us to be popping anytime soon. I'm expecting another. We should be having another month of um red or green, but it should be another month where this candle, if February ends like this, then the next month should be green enough to take us back into 100, and probably hold into that level for as long as we can, and before we might even have another layup, or because look at this, if we put out the Bollinger Bands on moving average, RSM, or whatever those indicators are, you see that Bitcoin has gotten to a level where it is real to see a very big sell of crypto. Okay, it is real, but again, I don't think it has gotten to that full extent for the market to just short that way. Again, I still have my price tag at 105. I mean 115, 114. So I'm still like aiming for that range. But again, you gotta be careful. You can't just be buying Bitcoin anyhow. I mean, you can't just be going into the market blindly, right? So Yeah, and again, I'm looking at it like, all right, I did tell us that we're not gonna have a bull run January, which didn't happen. February, I told y'all it's gonna take a lot of people out of the market. I told y'all that a lot of things are gonna happen. A lot of people are gonna lose money, and that's what we're seeing in February. A lot of people are losing money. So I hope you're not one of them. And if you are, RIP, bro. So February match, yeah, we might March. We should be seeing some green movements along all the crypto tokens that we have, altcoins and the rest. We should be seeing great movements. And again, maybe during April, May, then that's when we should be looking for a very huge bull run. Okay, but March would be like a layout. March would be like a stepping stone. You know, like a soft landing where everything just stops and then yeah, it's starting to move again. So that's what I'm expecting off of March. This is the analysis I gave during January time. So again, I need, if you notice it, I'm still going with it because it's going the way we're saying it. So let's just jump down to the daily time frame, guys. Okay, so if we enter the daily time frame, you can see yesterday was kind of like red. It was green, but again it was red. So it's like we're ranging right now. The market is just ranging. I have angles marked. I had more annotations around here, but I just put this little one because I wanted to trade a little bit again. So make sure you're also in the Telegram channel, guys, or Telegram community, so you don't miss any of the trades. All right, so yeah, we have this range around here, and that's much more to say that once we have a breakout, for those who do breakout strategy, I know they're waiting for a breakout out of this range, and yeah, everybody is expecting it. All right, everybody is expecting it. So yeah, we are waiting for a breakout. When is it gonna happen? I don't know. Probably gonna happen by the ending of February or towards the ending of February. Probably, who knows? You know, nobody really knows anything right now. Everyone's just guessing it. But the best thing is, I've been telling us that this is what will happen and this is how it will happen, and it's been playing out that well. So that's enough to give me hope that nothing is lost and everything will come back to normal again. If you go to the 4 hour time frame, you can see that there's a lot of trading going on. So yeah, everything is just looking good. We're gonna buy low, sell high. Yeah, that's just it. So this is the best time to buy low, guys. Best time to buy low. Sorry to anybody that bought at this zone. I'm so sorry. But this is the best time to buy low. After this, let's just look at Dogecoin. Yeah, let's look at Dogecoin. Let me go to my Doge. Yeah, okay. So Dogecoin was a major twist for everybody because, um, okay, let's start with the weekly time frame, right? Yeah, I did tell us. I know a lot of people when Dogecoin was at 0.4 cents, 0.3 cents, 0. Yeah, it got to 0.4, it dropped down to 0.3 cents. What was I telling everybody? There is a big chance we are gonna drop back to the 2 cents area. And did it happen? Yes, it happened. This is it. You can see it dropped to even 0.2. That 0.2 cents. Okay, it's 2 cents, guy. It dropped. All right, and then this to show you that we are in it. We're in this market to make it. I don't see any more drops coming in from Doge. I don't want to say I don't see, but right now I don't. Yeah, I don't see. Okay, I don't see it. So I'm not saying that there's going to be more drops, but right, what I saw was we're going to drop to 0.2 cents, and it's happening. It did happen. Now what should we do? We should wait. I believe this is another time to DCA into Doge. I mean, I've been DCAing, it dropped it, you got in, and now it's here. If you keep buying low, guys, you will be able to sell high. You don't have to wait for the market to go 1000% before you can sell, man. You sell, yeah, it drops back down. That's the whole trading aspect, guys. But for long term, I'm holding my Doge for long term until it gets to 7 cents. So there's a weekly time frame, guys. So yeah, it did do well. We broke, and then now we are back here. So it's like resting on its former. Let's just say this place was like a resistance, right? So it broke it, and then it's coming back. So it's just a normal thing. So let's assume. Let's put this line. This is what Doge did. Hold up. I'm gonna delete this. Let me go to a clean chart here. Okay, this is what Doge did. So we have this line, right? We have this line, and then now we got this. So we can see the market. They hit the resistance, right? Now this is just a normal resistance kind of thing. Came back down. It broke it. All right, and now it came back to that former resistance, and it's now a support. And then from there on, so now that's just logical thinking, just like, let's say, breakout strategy shit. This is how it's gonna be for Doge, man. So I'm expecting that move. And if you know, if I take this, if I take this and put it here. Oh, sir, this is not what I was expecting, sir. Hold up. All right, so yeah, if I take this and put it here, you will see that this is how it's placed. But anyway, this one went a little bit more higher. So if it went a little bit more higher, that means this will go more higher than this, and that's why I'm aiming for 7 cents. That's what the reason why I'm aiming for 7 cents. And we all know Doge is not just it's not just a token to be messed with, guys. We all know Doge is not just a token to be messed with, because let's look at Elon Musk. Elon Musk is doing a whole lot, and he has started the Doge authorities or security, whatever that shit, the government efficiency shit that he's running. And you got to connect the dots, okay? You have to connect the dots right now. Whatever he's doing is going to succeed on it, would also affect the price of Doge in one way or the other. So let's just say he's doing that, and this is happening. All right, let's just say he's doing the Doge thing in real life, and then we have the Doge token. It's not a coincidence, guys. It's going to happen. So Doge is a major buy for me, because it's not just I don't believe Doge is going to stop at 7 cents. It's going to probably go to, and yes, I still have my mark as $1.05. Yeah, I still have a mark at that zone, because I believe Doge is going to do excellently well. So if you're not holding Doge, I really don't know what you're holding, guys. I'm not going to tell you what to buy and hold, but seriously, come on, Doge has to be on your list. Doge has to be on your list. So that's just how it's gonna be for Doge. Let's go drop down to the daily time frame. All right. So on the daily time frame, yeah, it does do look weak. We came up, and then we were really like, again, the market is ranging. So it has that kind of huge movement. The market is still ranging. You know what I mean? So yeah, we have to like keep watching and all that shit. So yeah, just be watching. But if you're gonna DCA into Doge right now, buying Doge is key. All right, buying Doge is it's just it's cheap right now, so just get in. $10, you don't know what to do with your $10, just put it in Doge and lock it up in the wallet and just disappear for the next 5 months. Yeah, guys, so that's that for Doge. The next one on our list is XRP, guys. I'm sorry, I don't need to type this. Yep, XRP. Let me go down. Yep, XRP repo. Yeah, repo. See, again, the same thing that happened on our Doge analysis. I think last 2 weeks and everything. That's the same thing that is happening now on repo. Okay, I did mention that we are gonna drop back to the $1.09, around that area. And then what happened? Did we not drop down? I mean, if you go, I'm not just putting this mark here. So if you want to check, you can go to most of our videos, or most of the videos I've made in the past, and you see that I did talk about this key levels and this levels of retracements. So, and that's what's happening right now. I can't really say what's gonna happen to Ripple, but I'm expecting the best from Ripple, because first of all, the case is over. Like, the case between Repo and the SEC will be over. I mean, it's over, but they're just dragging shit. And again, we're waiting for the bull run. And I do think that the victory of XLP might really spike the markets to go green. So I'm really expecting that movement. All right. So I don't know what altcoin is going to really move the market. I don't really think it's Bitcoin, guys. I don't really believe it's Bitcoin, because I know Bitcoin is, let's say, it's the market mover, but right now I feel that it's going to be an altcoin that we don't really regard that much, that would move the market. Okay, so yeah, I'm really putting it, and I don't think it's Ethereum. Nope, Ethereum is not the least. Okay, they're putting Ethereum out there to blind us. All right, I love Ethereum. Ethereum is good, but between Ethereum and Solana, I'll pick Solana. All right, Solana is like I call it the god of the trenches. All right, Solana is the god of meme coins, and although Solana has the bad reviews because of how it's the relationship of Solana with meme coins. Alright, I know it does. We do have that. So we're experiencing that, but again, I'll always choose to invest in Solana somehow. But Ethereum, yeah, is gonna do well, no doubt. It's probably gonna get to $10K, right? But but bought Solana all the way. Solana all the way. If you're a Solana fan, put it in the chat. If you're an XRP fan, put it in the chat. If you're a Doge fan, put it in the chat. And if you're also an Ethereum fan, put it in the chat, guys. So anyway, XRP is gonna do it. I do see XRP. I know a lot of speculators say XRP to $50, but I don't know what the developers are doing. Remember, it's not just about the hype. It's about the developers. Are they willing to put in so much money? Are they willing to let so much money be in the projects? Okay, so that's another thing. I can accept for Doge, the Doge they're willing to put in so much money, and then that's why I would say Doge will do well. XRP will do well on the other hand, but again, it depends on the developers. But seeing how far they've come and seeing how far they've stayed in the markets, even with all the trouble, XRP on its own would would be doing well. All right, so that's again, I mean, I should not be making videos like this. We should just be going into trade videos, but I just have to put it out there, right? This so that you don't lose your focus on to the noise. I mean, there's so much noise going in the market. I mean, you open your chart or you open your portfolio, you see so much red, and then next thing you're like, you know what, fuck this token, I don't want to do anything with this token. But I'm just here to put to you that, hey, look, the market is not friendly and the whales are not friendly. They would not let you profit. Okay, they love when you lose so that they can gain. This is the trenches. Okay, the market is the trenches. All right, they're taking from you, you are taking from them, and in order to take from them, you have to be very smart, and one of the ways to be very smart is to hold. Okay, don't give into the red, you just gotta hold. All right, so yeah, that's it. That's that for XRP. um I think I should be looking at Solana. Hold up. Let's just pull up Solana and then yeah, I think I'll call it a day. And then I'll look at gold. Yep. You can see Solana is really taking the heat. All right. Solana is really taking the heat. It is dropping should I say dangerously because yeah, why wouldn't Solana be taking the hits? I mean, you're looking at the god of meme coins. I call it the god of meme coins because it's the main government, and right now people are losing their hopes in meme coins, and with more people losing their hopes on meme coins, the more people are going out of Solana. You'll feel me? Because now there is a whole lot of rugging going on. There's a whole lot of rugging going on in the meme coin market. I mean, there's no way rugging has not gone on, but kinda like the meme coins are like, it's like, oh, what's happening? Only the bad guy wins. And then if you look at the past few weeks, do you know the amount of rugs that have happened in the Solana network? Man, tons of them. All right, when Ethereum started with NFT, yeah, I mean, there were rugs, but oh man, looks like Solana is untamed right now. So I guess that's why we should be seeing so much better on Solana. That should be one of the reasons. I don't care about if there's any government or anything. That would be one of the reasons because Solana is a kind of like a very strong token, and yeah, we are supposed to be seeing Solana do well in this bull run, in this bull season, but the chances of Solana dropping are still the same chances of Solana rising. Again, it's the god of meme coins. So if meme coins are not doing well, we should be expecting Solana to drop. But again, we don't focus on just the meme coins, alright? Focus on the developers. The developers are not sleeping and they are planning a whole lot of things, alright? They are planning a lot of things for Solana, and that's the main reason why Solana should be on your wallet. You should be holding Solana, alright? Yeah, so let's leave the meme coins. Yeah, meme coins will do their parts. That doesn't mean that this token or this network is going to trash. All right, Solana is good, and I kind of like. I just love it. Okay, it's a meme on its own. Yeah. So then after that, I'll just look at gold. Let's look at gold for now. Yeah, let's look at gold. So hold up. Yeah, this is my gold weekly chart. Gold has just been rising and rising and rising and rising and rising. As at which day that was last week, Friday. It was a Friday. Yeah, we did see that drop, guys. Look at this on Friday. Yeah, we did see that drop I spoke about. Yep. And now I'm like, all right, don't get your highs up, man. A lot of people will be jumping into Doge to like buy, and I do feel we might be retracing back into 2K 929, but I'm like
All right, that's possible because if I check on my 4 hour time frame, if I check the 4 hour time frame or the 1 hour time frame, I do see some kind of retracement level. I mean, I have been like watching the chart from here, and then I saw a spike. I mean, I took a stop loss around here, but yeah, I was gonna short in late, but okay. And then now I'm like, all right, there's a big chance that we might be retracing into this level. So I'm just watching the charts, okay? I'm just watching, and we do have a gap around this level. Like, yeah. Oh, sorry, that was a mistake. There are some gaps around this level, like, oh, yep, yeah, and here. So, yep, there's a big chance that we might be retracing down into this level, and then when we retrace, we're gonna pop back up. So it's kind of like safe to just put in a little entry around here. Yep, a little entry, and then just watch it ride. Probably you're gonna make like, I don't know, but anyway, I'm not here to call out trades. That's just what I'm looking at, and I'm just putting it in here. So gold, on the other hand, gold is gonna short, guys, very soon, very shortly. Once this bull run starts and the sentiment dies, gold will shut. Alright, if you want to throw in a bet, let's throw in a bet. We're in a casino, guys. This market is another high level casino. Gold is going to short. I don't know where it's going to short to, but I know it's going to short. Alright, guys, so that's that for that. So again, make sure you're in the trading community. And guys, before I say any other thing, just make sure you're in the community, guys, because you don't want to miss out. You don't want to miss out on things like this. Imagine you're hearing first hand calls like how I did for DOGE, how I did for XRP, and then you are able to get in when I'm getting in, guys. You would be in the money. You won't struggle. You won't be buying at the top like people who keep buying at the top like this and being liquidity providers. Yeah. So another thing is I'll be starting live trading sections with options. So I'll be dropping a refer or a link where you can join me and trade. Alright, guys, where you can join me and trade. So there's a whole lot that will be happening in the trading community, and it's all free classes, signal analysis, setups, pro things, and you'll be meeting other pro traders. So make sure you're in the community, guys. Alright? Yeah. And if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section, or you can DM me on Discord, or send me an email. My email is blackmanapex@gmail.com. If you want to DM me on Discord, my Discord is blackmanapex, and I'll also leave that in the description. So guys, yep, catch you in the next one. Stay safe.